Algebra 1, 10.3, this is our last lesson of the year, equations from graphs. So in the last lesson, I gave you equation, you gave me the graph. I'm going to reverse that. I'm giving you the equation and I want back the graph. So this one is based on the absolute value of x. What has happened? So it has been reflected over the x-axis, or it's upside down. It normally starts at 0, 0. This one does the same thing. So this function is f of x equals negative absolute value of x. So all that happened was the absolute value was upside down. This one, the only thing that happened was the absolute value moved left 4. So this is f of x equal the absolute value. To move it left 4 is, there we go, inside the absolute value. It doesn't move up or down. The next one is the absolute value. The only thing that happened was it moved up 3. So this is f of x equal the absolute value of x plus 3. Now the next one, a couple of things going on. It looks like it moves what? Right 3 and down 3. So f of x equal the absolute value. To move it right 3, that's a minus 3, and a down 3, minus 3 outside the function. Next one, this is just your original function. This is the absolute value of x. This one, it's reflected, so it's upside down, and it looks like it moved, what, right 1 up 4. So f of x equal, to get reflected, you have a negative out front, right 1 up 4. Now, same process with all the other functions. This one is based on x squared. So f of x equal, what has happened? So it's left 4 and up 2. So this is going to be x plus 4 squared plus 2. This is based on the absolute value of x. And if you have to draw it, normally it looks like this. So I can clearly see that it's been reflected upside down. And the vertex, or the starting point moved what? Left 3 and up 2. So f of x, because it's reflected, it starts with a minus, and then left 3, up 2. Next guy is based on my x to the 1/3, or the cube root of x. So it's right side up, so f of x equals, and so we can say x, it looks like it moved what, right 4 and down 4. So x minus 4 to the 1/3 minus 4. You could write cube root x minus 4 minus 4, either way. Now this one is based on my x cubed. Remember, x cubed looks like this. So it has been reflected because now it's upside down and it moved left 2. So this is f of x equals negative. To move it left 2, there we go. The next one is based on my absolute value of x, and it moves what, right 2, down 2. So f of x equals x minus 2 minus 2. This is based on my x to the 1/3, and it has moved what, right 3 up 5. So f of x equals x minus 3 to the 1/3 plus 5. So the next guy, there's my center right there. This is based on x cubed. It's right side up, and it moved what, right 5 down 4. So f of x equals x minus 5 cubed minus 4. Again, this one is based on my square root of x. Again, normally it looks like this, so I know it's upside down. And then the endpoint moved left 5, and then it moved up 5. The next guy is based on my x to the 1/3. So f of x equals, it's right side up, so it moved what? Left 3 and down 4. The next one is just an absolute value. It moved what? Right 3, up 4. The next one is based on x squared. We can see it's reflected, it's upside down. It moved right 1. Wait, the scaling, be careful. This one, the scaling is a little bit different. Didn't mean for it to be that way. So this is 1 right here, okay? And then this is 3. So this one moved right 1/2 and up 3. So this is f of x equals negative x minus 1/2 squared plus 3. The next one is based on my x cubed, which normally looks like this. So I can see that it's been reflected. And it moved what? Right 2, down 2. So f of x, because it's reflected, it starts with a negative. Right 2 and down 2. And that should be it, okay?